Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy woman crocheted fingerless gloves designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, beautiful woman crocheted fingerless gloves designs. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of gloves. Stylish designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful woman crocheted fingerless gloves designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Easy to wash, easy to make, beautiful and trendy crocheted fingerless gloves. You can see. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful gloves. Soft and beautiful gloves. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection.